Good morning. So, it's the day of our flight. It is 4:27, and because it's an international flight, even though it only leaves at 10:45, we gotta get our asses to SFO. We're gonna leave in like an hour. We're gonna take the car, put it in long-term parking, but kind of removed from the airport, so it's not that expensive. And I've been struggling with whether I wanted to blog about my Japan trip, because that's what's actually starting right now. There's about I don't know, like less than 24 hours separating me from here in my little kitchenette in Davis, California, to Japan. And well, me and my wife are going. We're meeting my brother and sister-in-law, Jill and Travis, and we are going to spend the first 2 days, roughly 48 hours, just bumming around Japan first. Then we're going to get on the cruise and then hit up the Eastern Seaboard. So that's going to be fun. And I thought, part of what is going to be landing us in Japan, not totally clueless, are YouTube videos, vlogs just like this. And I thought, hey, why not? It seems kind of easy. I'm not going to do a lot of editing, but I can talk to a phone and I can ignore people around me who think that I'm crazy. So that's the plan. Anyways, I guess I'll check in with you guys later. Thanks for following my Japan adventure.